What is carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, flammable gas composed of one carbon atom and double bonded to two oxygen atoms. Carbon monoxide is highly flammable. What happens when you breathe in carbon monoxide? When you breathe in carbon monoxide, the gas particles are absorbed by the lungs, and when that happens, carbon monoxide binds with hemoglobin in the bloodstream, which results in carbon monoxide poisoning. Symptoms include headaches and dizziness, shortness of breath and nausea, vomiting and loss of consciousness. Loss of consciousness is a result of lack of oxygen in the brain. Carbon monoxide poisoning in aviation. High altitude does not cause immediate carbon monoxide poisoning. There are a few reasons, but the one we will tackle today is a direct result from combustion engines. Such engines as turbine engines and turboprop engines. Carbon monoxide detectors in aviation. Carbon monoxide detectors sound an alarm when they sense a certain amount of carbon monoxide in the air by pounds per notation. Now, there are different types of carbon monoxide detectors. Biomimetic sensors are gels that change color when carbon monoxide is absorbed. Metal oxide semiconductors uses circuitry that detects carbon monoxide and lowers electrical resistance and then triggers an alarm. Electrochemical sensors uses electrodes that react when they come into contact with carbon monoxide. Now, aviation carbon monoxide detectors come in a variety, all with high prices. The one I will demonstrate uses a metal oxide semiconductor. Check this carbon monoxide detector I got. It's not aviation rated, but it's the cheapest one I can get, and it's offshore. Alright, test it. Alright.
Okay.
Oh, I can smell it.
Don't speak.
It's exhausting. There it is.
Why is there?
Oh, I don't know how it works. It's supposed to press it for 5 seconds. Oh shit, 90 ppm. 70 is already dangerous. Yeah, that's pretty dangerous. It's pretty quick.
You want me to repeat it?
Pro tip. We're gonna start some fire, kids. But first, to start fires, we're gonna need some fuel. And I actually use pine resin. It's also a very good survival tip. You get a pine tree, get some pine resin. Pine tar, pine resin, it's actually quite flammable. Some yep, it's good right there. Good fuel. Alright, let's start some fires, kids. Alright. This abandoned warehouse somewhere south of the Philippines. We're gonna simulate carbon monoxide through coal fire. Alright, I'm gonna use coal. So 1 part coal. There. 2 parts fuel.
Pine resin.
Yeah, pine resin, fuel, coal, whatever.
Lighter fuel.
Stir this pot. And we'll make 3 parts fire. Ow! Now that we actually have started a coal fire, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna put it in this plastic bag, collect as much CO as possible, and we'll see how it reads. Ooh, collect some smoke. Let's see if it will work.
Why you close the plastic bag?
Oh, it's reading, it's reading.
Oh. Ang taas.
25? No, not really.
Baliktad.
No, seriously.
Ayan, ano yun?
It's 40.
4?
It's actually
390.
390.
Yeah,
Oh, 340.
340.
Yeah, it's pretty high.
It's working.
290. Well, it's kind of windy out. Just had a bit of an addendum here, guys. Parts per million is defined as the mass of the component in a solution divided by the total mass of the solution by 10 to the 6th power. The maximum exposure allowed in a workplace over an 8-hour period is 35 parts per million. So we were going over an excess of 300 to 390 parts per million, and it would take us about, say, an hour before we get sick. So once again, thank you guys.